Here we are at North Fork Lane. From the moment you step inside, you feel right at home. An office. That's a double rainbow. That photo was taken in front of this house. Hundreds of square feet. A full bath. And the huge eating kitchen offers endless views of the Oahe Mountains, sunsets, storms and weather blowing in. There's automatic sunshades. That's a corner pantry. Views of the Oahe Mountains. Remote control sunshades. This laundry room also serves as a mudroom. Has plumbing. We have central vac here. There's separate climate control up here. A ductless mini split. This oversized primary suite has linen, large walk-in closet, plus a luxurious master bath, ample storage, and soaker tub beneath windows. We have another full bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and another office down here on this ground floor or daylight walkout basement. These rooms also are quite spacious. And this one is an office because while it has this huge storage zone, it's an interior room. Double French doors. Over here, we have a very deep storage room with the HVAC. And then there's the shop.